What if I told you that just 15 minutes today could completely reshape the next 10 years of your life? Most people underestimate small actions. They think change must be big, dramatic, or overnight. But the truth? The smallest choice you make today could echo through your entire future. Dream about success as if it's some giant leap. I'll change when the time is right. I'll start when I feel ready. But let me tell you something, the perfect moment never comes. It's not the massive, once-in-a-lifetime decisions that shape us. It's the tiny, daily choices. The things you do when nobody's watching. The habits you repeat, even when they seem too small to matter. Think about it. Reading 10 pages a day doesn't sound like much. But in 1 year, that's 3,650 pages. That's 10 full books. And in 10 years, you've read 100 books. That's the difference between the person who says, "I'll start tomorrow," and the person who says, "I'll start now." Minutes. That's all you need. 15 minutes of focused effort every single day. You don't need to run a marathon today. But what if you just walked for 15 minutes? You don't need to write an entire book today. But what if you wrote just one page? You don't need to master meditation. But what if you just closed your eyes and breathed for 15 minutes? Those moments, multiplied by days, weeks, and years. They build a future you won't even recognize. 2 versions of yourself. The first one keeps scrolling, keeps waiting, keeps saying, "Someday." 10 years later, that person wakes up, and nothing has changed. The second one decides to act today. Not perfectly, not all at once. Just 15 minutes of effort. And 10 years later, you don't need more time. You don't need more motivation. You just need to start. Because here's the secret. Action creates motivation. Not the other way around. If you wait until you feel ready, you'll never begin. But if you start now, just 15 minutes, your brain begins to shift. Momentum builds. And momentum is unstoppable. The challenge. Today, not tomorrow, not next week. Today, give yourself 15 minutes. Read. Walk. Write. Learn. Build. Something. Anything. Because when you look back in 10 years, You'll realize that those 15 minutes were the moment your entire life changed.